In this lesson, we will learn about non-linear animation. Up until this point, we have been creating animation by setting and tweaking keyframes. But once we finish an animation, we really can't easily reuse it. There are just way too many keyframes to manage. Well, there is a way to store keyframe animation in something called an animation clip. Let's take a look at an example of a walk cycle. Here we have our two-step cycle and all of our keyframes. Let's put the keyframes into a new clip called walk cycle. Now that we have the clip, we can repeat it or copy it onto duplicates of the original rig. Instead of having hundreds and hundreds of keyframes for these 10 characters, we can have a single base clip copied onto each of them. We can also blend from one clip to another. Here we have a walk and a standing animation clip. Our character walks in and then stops to do the standing animation. We can keep creating different kinds of clips and mixing them together. This is called non-linear animation because instead of setting keyframes from start to finish, we can mix clips starting at the beginning, the end, or even the middle. By keeping the keyframes inside of the clips, this gives us an incredible amount of control over our animation because we can move the clips around or change their order without breaking the animation. Let's take a look at blending together clips on a single character. Based on how you created your character, you can divide them into parts. For example, this character is in two parts, the upper body and the lower body. This gives us the freedom to use a walk cycle clip on the lower body and a completely different clip on the upper body, like juggling balls. Now, instead of having to create a walk cycle and a walk with a juggle cycle, our character walks and juggles at the same time. Nonlinear animation isn't some sort of magic animating machine. We still have to set all the keyframes and tweak the tangents before creating each clip. But animating non-linearly does let us reuse animation and blend together multiple clips to create unique animations faster than just keyframing. This helps us animate much more efficiently.